In a bustling university lab, a student was on the brink of a breakthrough. "I've done it," he exclaimed, holding up a peculiar contraption. His friend, skeptical, asked, "What does it do?" The student grinned. "It saves lives." He demonstrated by placing it on a mannequin. The device beeped, whirred, and then it sneezed. "Bless you," his friend chuckled. "No, no," the student insisted. "It's supposed to alert you to germs." Just then, the professor walked in. "Ah, the sneeze detector. Brilliant." The student beamed. "Next, I'll invent a cough translator."